Hello, people of EDFN 545. My name is Anthony Zortea. This presentation is by Anthony Zortea. If you've been in any of my other classes, maybe you've seen this. But all right, here we go. All right, so what do? I'm a 5th grade math teacher in North Penn School District. I've been here for about 4 years. I did my student teaching here. I was a math interventionist here. I was a long-term sub here. And then now this is my second year with 5th grade. I've kind of bounced around a little bit. Like I said, I teach 5th grade math. We are departmentalized here in elementary school. So I like that. It lets me really hone in and focus on math. It lets me spend a lot of time working on one lesson, making one lesson great, as opposed to having to do my math lesson, then my science lesson, then my ELA lesson. So I get to spend a lot of time. Let's see. Right out of college, a couple of years ago, I taught science down in Fort Lauderdale for a year. Just kind of did some exploring down there, which was pretty cool, but I missed it back home, so I came back here. This is my second course, my second graduate course here in Millersville, and I was a I graduated from Westchester. For my undergraduate. That couldn't have been less clear. All right, here we go. All right, so what do I do for fun? So on the side here, you have a picture. Even though I'm a full-time teacher for the last couple of years, I still work at a summer camp because I guess why not? Every year we put on a play. So I'm this guy. That year, that was 2 years ago. We did Madagascar. I was King Julian. I sang such songs as "I Like to Move It, Move It." It was a lot of fun. You get to kind of be goofy and get to step outside of my normal math boundaries. So I like to also play guitar and piano. I like to exercise. I play a lot of disc golf. I play a lot of tournaments and stuff. And I have a large family. I'm one of 8 children. And some of my brothers have children, so a lot of family going on nearby, so I hang out with a lot of family. So yeah, I try to keep my interests varied between exercise and arts and disc golf and teaching, and try to keep myself busy. So I look forward to the class, and I look forward to getting to know some of you. All right, adios.